I'm supposed to film today, and this is today is the 5th of April. I'm supposed to film my where I have been video, like, oh, I've not been on YouTube, yada 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 video today. But I've just been really tired and lazy. Like, I've just been in bed like almost all day. So I got up about 3:30 thinking I was going to be able to meet up. But then again, I've lost so much daylight. Like, the sun has gone down already, and I don't want to turn on the gen to use my ring light as a source of lighting. So I'd rather not just do that today. I haven't discovered that my lapel microphone has died, and I'm trying to use my power bank to charge it, and it's not charging. And in between all this hassle, I still have to get my makeup done, sort my hair, because I'm going to be filming with my hair. So I'm just going to have to like moisturize my hair and all those good stuff. But then again, time, and looking at it realistically speaking, if I start filming now, I will not be able to finish my makeup in time and style my hair in time for before nightfall. And I want to use natural lighting to film my video, since my new apartment really has good lighting now, and I think I'll use more natural lighting as opposed to trying to control the lights like my other videos, which is not really my strong suit. So that's just it, guys. So I can't film today. I'll film some other time. Okay, not some other time. I'll film tomorrow, Sunday, which is like the 6th. I think the 6th of April. So I'll do that first thing tomorrow morning. I'm not even gonna procrastinate or anything. So guys, that's it. Bye.